Hey guys, this is BP the way here again. This video is only about tools that you need to go ahead. Now the tools as in what we need, how do we see stocks, and I mean what are the tools that I need. So the first tool that I'm going to explain you is the first tool that we need is finviz.com. So now it's a free tool. Every tool is free, don't worry. So finviz.com, why do we need it? It's an online website. You go click it, it's going to open like this. What do you do over here is you go to this tab over here and go to screener. You need to click on screener. What does it give you? It gives you a list of stocks that you can think for. What do I mean by that? You're not going to have the name of your companies in your head, right? So you need something, you need a place where you can find the name of companies, or you need to know which is a good stock for me. What should I look for? What should I not look for? So come to finviz.com. And what do? It's going to give you click on screener. It's going to give you a list of all the companies. Now we have 382 pages. That's a lot, right? And every page has like 20 stocks. What do? You do some filters. You use some filters. What are the filters you need to do? You need to sort it by, you need to filter it by price. So let's say you're looking for a good stock. Let's say we're looking for stocks over $10. We can do that. Looking for something over $50. We can do that. Let's say I want to do penny stocks. I'll be looking for something below $1. So depending on that, I'll sort my stock. So instead of 300 pages, I have now 278 pages. Okay. One more filter over here that you definitely need to know is average volume should be over 2 million. You always keep in mind you need to use this filter no matter what. Why? Because see, guys, in stock market, you can only buy stock if someone has sold the stock. You cannot buy it if someone didn't sold it to you. So the average volume should be over 2 million. What does that mean? Is buying and selling is good. So you can easily sell your stock once you have bought it. So there is no problem. So keep in mind, ignore this, just keep in mind, simple rule, average volume should be over 2 million. So you come over here, now you have only 33 pages left. Okay, that's good. That's good to scan. And every page has like 20 stocks. So now it's good for, the companies are good for your practice. What do you do now? Now, see this line over here, there is something called charts. So you click on charts, it will give you all those lists in the form of charts. Now you can see charts, how does it look like, and you can finalize on the basis of looking at charts that which stock you like or which stock you don't. Now how do you finalize from charts? You'll figure it out in the next chapters. So that's the first tool you need, finviz.com. Okay. The next tool you need is optionsplay.com. So what you need to do is you just need to log in. It's a free tool and it will give you an interface like that. This is going to be the first interface. You type in the name of the company, let's say Funko. I type it over here. It will give you all the details. Why do we need that? I'm going to explain you ahead. Okay. The next name of the company is called Stockcharts.com. You come over here. You don't need to log in. Don't log in at all. It is going to look like this. See, I haven't logged in at all. You click the name of the company called Apple. Let's say I want to search for Apple. You click the name of the company. I'm gonna give you the settings over here, or I'll give you later on, but it's just the settings that you need. So you come over here. You need to do that every time whenever you search for something, and you'll figure it out. What does that mean? I mean, I'll explain you in the next chapters, but don't worry. But this is the settings you need, and you can rewatch the video if you want to know what I did. And this is the tool you need. How do we use that? What is this? You'll figure it out in the next chapters. So these three tools you need to find stocks, basically find good stocks for you.